How to withdraw money from PrizePicks without a bank account. You want to withdraw from PrizePicks but don't have a bank account. In this quick guide, I'll show you how the best alternative withdrawal method step by step. So let's get started. Launch the PrizePicks app or go to the website. Sign into your account. Now tap on your profile icon and select withdraw. If you don't have a bank account, you can withdraw using PayPal, prepaid or debit cards, and e-wallets. Depending on availability, PrizePicks may support digital wallets. Now select the amount you want to withdraw. Provide the correct account details for your chosen method. Now confirm and wait for processing, so review your withdrawal request and submit it. Processing time may vary, but PayPal withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days, and those are the ones that I advise, so please choose PayPal. And that's how you withdraw money from PrizePicks without a bank account. Make sure your chosen method is supported to avoid delays, and thanks for watching.